Okay, so I think I'm gonna just start the vlog here. I had it started at my house, but like I don't really want to be started at my house because I feel like I looked real ugly. So we're just gonna roll with it. But I am going to the mall. I didn't even edit my video yet for my YouTube channel because my boyfriend wants to go to the mall before it gets too like crowded, I guess, and like there's like traffic and stuff like that. So I said, okay, that's fine. I was like, we could just, you know, go to the mall and I'll just come back later and I'll just like post my video, I guess. So that's that. And I was so awkward because my neighbor was literally in the car looking at me vlogging, but whatever. Because I didn't even get what I was doing something even though I wasn't. But anyway, but yeah, we're going to the mall. I want to see if I can find a black bodysuit, either at the mall or see if Old Navy has them, because I seen on TikTok that Old Navy might have them. So that's the freaking plan for right now, because yeah, so yeah. Okay, good morning. So today is Monday, October 17th. I was about to say 27th. Whoa, I'm rushing the month. But anyway, I'm gonna do, I think, a day in my life vlog. Since I've been doing the weekly vlog, well, like kind of like the weekend vlog, I guess you could kind of say. So I'm gonna do a day in my life vlog because I have a little bit of stuff that I'm doing today. So for starters, I've been up since like 6:45. I had to take my brothers to school, and then I came home. I was gonna go to sleep until 8:15, and it's like 8:23 now, but I was gonna go to sleep until 8:15, and then I was gonna get up and like take a shower or whatever because I'm getting a wax today at 9:15, but I like laid down for 10 minutes and was like, I can't go to sleep. So I got up, I put a load of laundry in, took my shower. I'm gonna go get my boyfriend breakfast because he wanted me to get him breakfast after my wax, but I might as well just do it before my wax. And then I'm gonna go to my wax. I want to return these pants from Old Navy. I bought them to go out and I didn't wear them and I don't really want them. And I have to get my lashes filled today, and I'll probably be doing other stuff. I don't ever sit down, so you're gonna come along with me for today's vlog. So yeah. Okay, so I already dropped my food off to my boyfriend and I just got done with my wax. I absolutely love my wax. Person who does my wax, she A1. I've been coming to her for over a year now. I absolutely love her. We're always cracking up laughing in there. You would think like you're getting freaking ripped and shit and you should be freaking laughing, but I'm cracking up laughing in there. Like it's just a vibe. I love it. It's just, the vibes are immaculate. But anyway, I'm gonna go home, switch my load of laundry into the dryer, start my boyfriend's laundry, and I don't know, see what we is doing. I might take a shower so I can clean like the wax and stuff a little bit off. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I'll come back. Okay, we're in a different car. I'm in my mom's car because I'm about to go get her car cleaned and all that good stuff. All that good stuff, since she is away right now on a trip, a work trip. So I'm gonna get her car cleaned, and that will be my little surprise to her for when she comes back. So yeah. What's going on? What's going on, Dexter? My baby Dexter. But yeah, just in my mom's car. And now I'm about to be going to the gym. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, in my grill. We're gonna go to the gym, and then we're gonna figure out what we're eating. And then I gotta return this thing to Old Navy. In blase. I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. Go ahead, sit down. Yep. My bestie. But yeah, it's kind of cold outside. I can't wait to a lash fill. I had a lash fill today. I can't wait. Okie dokie. So today is Sunday, the 23rd. This is completely way out the way of when I first started this vlog, but you know, we're not going to talk about that. So we are going to a farm. What is this farm called?
I don't know how to pronounce it. Sergel Orchards?
Somewhere in Wexford. And we're just sitting in traffic to get into this farm, so it must be popping, I don't know. But yeah, got the whole shebang. I got my brother back here recording me, recording myself, you know, something light. But anyway, we're gonna be picking a pumpkin. They just went through a red light, but that's beside the point. No, that wasn't there a second ago. I was watching. But anyway, we're gonna pick out a pumpkin. We'll probably do a hayride. I don't really know what's all here, but we're gonna figure it out. So yeah. Okay, guys. At the top, that's the freaking farm we're going to that we couldn't pronounce.
How big that thing is.
Look at the big spider.
Pumpkin's gonna be out on our porch for the next 7 months.
Oh, it's all green. You don't want the green.
Oh my gosh, they got you. Pig.
But there's not in there are parking lots.
Tell you guys, it is so fucking hot. I can't even like explain. It is so hot. I don't know who told Mother Nature to be this hot today, but I'm sweating bullets in a long sleeve and leggings and UGG slippers. But we're walking to the corn maze. so you guys will see that in a little bit. But yeah, the sun's blazing at my freaking face. Oh. I'm editing the vlog like a whole month later. I'm finally editing this vlog. Red hair, yep. You'll see that in the next vlog when I post. But I never end my vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please come again. I want to be more active on here. And I really want to do Vlogmas coming up in December. Like, I really want to get my fucking ass rolling and really get on it. So, thank you for watching. Come again.